Well, hi everybody. Welcome back to the Degelman Farm. Today, it's a Saturday, so we got everybody available. Tommy, Sam is here. Jane's doing some stuff in the greenhouse, but beautiful Saturday. We're gonna get started on some of the spring projects. Cleaning, a lot of cleaning to do. Sam and his friend Ashton are gonna clean upstairs in the barn. They're gonna get some other things ready. I'm gonna put out some of the our outdoor furniture that's been stored away for the winter. It's a while before we got any events. We got a couple weeks before the prom photos. The high school kids come out for prom photos. That's a couple weeks away and we'll be all ready for that. But being that it's a nice day, it's kind of time to get some of that stuff ready. So hang with us. We're going to be doing several different projects. And if we have time, I might even work on the driveway. If we have time. My brother Mike's, we're gonna have a fire. We're gonna start a fire this afternoon. My brother Mike's coming over, so you'll get to meet him. He's coming over later this afternoon, and we'll get a fire going, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Get a lot done. Beautiful day, and it's not windy. Look at the flag. Perfect day. Perfect day. It's probably been 3 weeks since we've had a day when the wind isn't... With no wind? Yeah, when the wind isn't blowing 20 miles an hour. So hang with us while we do some of these projects today, and we'll, yeah. So hang with us while we do some of these projects today and have some fun. There we go. Well, one of the first things we're going to do, we're going to put the outdoor furniture out that goes on the deck behind the barn. We're going to put the speakers out for the sound system, and we're going to get the sound system fired up that hasn't been run since probably October. Early fall? Yeah, about the last time that's ran. It's kind of complicated, so Tom's going to do that part because it's a little tough for a 62-year-old guy to understand how that all works. I think you're 63. It's a little complicated for a 63-year-old man to understand how that works. But stick with us while we get the sound system set up. Let's go. Well, there, everything's working on the sound system that we haven't had going since probably October. But that'll be good while we're working outside. It'll be kind of fun to have a little music going. Well, Sam and Ashton are gonna clean up here, up in the barn loft. And cleaning is, you know, there's a lot of cobwebs. There's certainly plenty of dust. They'll be mopping the floor, kind of wiping everything out. It's a big task. It's going to take them probably the better part of the afternoon, but it'll be worth it. Right, Sam? Yeah. All right. All right. I'm going to start putting out some of the lawn furniture while these guys work on outdoor furniture out. I've got the, I did by the fire pit, some by the barn. We've got the stools out around the udder bar, we call it. But let's get the tractor going. I'm gonna take the lawn chairs that go on the patio table up by the house. There, we'll let that warm up for a few minutes. There, now that feels like spring when the patio furniture's out. On this beautiful Saturday afternoon, while we're working on things around the farm, look who showed up, my brother Mike. Say hi to everybody, Mike.
Hey, hello everyone.
Mike came over. We're going to put a couple logs on the fire, get the fire started. Maybe we'll have an adult beverage, possibly.
Possibly.
But we'll get the fire going.
Sounds good.
Well, we had a great day on the farm. Got a lot done. Sam and Ashton cleaned up the barn, a lot of other things. Jane worked in the greenhouse. Tommy worked on editing video, getting all this together for us, keeping everything going. Sam's friend Carver came over. And we're gonna finish off the evening, some brats on the fire. We got baked beans. What else we got? Potato salad, some treats. We're gonna sit around the fire here and enjoy that. It's been a long time since we've been able to do that. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.
Bye, guys. Bye.